Hello guys, welcome back again. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show to you how to create easy YouTube thumbnail on Canva, and it's under 5 minutes. And the way to create it, first you need to open your Canva and then create this new project. The size from this page is, wait for a moment, let me show you the size from it. It's 1920, and for the height it's 1080. The unit is px. Okay, so now let's go back to the tutorial. First, you need to import a background onto this blank page. So just go to the elements button and then go to this search bar and type the type of background that you want to use. For example, I'm going to use kitchen. And like this, and then just search it, wait for a moment. And the next step, you just need to go to this graphics elements. And for example, I'm going to use this one. So I'm just going to add it onto the page and click the three dots button and click the set as a background. Okay, now the next step, you need to import an image onto this clip. So let's just type chef like this and then search it. Okay, now you can use any type of image that you want to add and the things that you want to create as a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, now I'm going to put the image on the side, kind of like this, and then go to the background and go to the Magic Studio. Sorry, not Magic Studio, but effects, sorry, and then go to the blur. And now you just need to go to this whole image and increase the intensity of the blur from the image or from the background. When you're done, just go back to your page, kind of like this, and now click the image and adjust the brightness and contrast from it to make it much more appear like this. I'm going to put it this one, and for the highlights I'm going to increase it too. And now just jump onto the black, and I'm going to decrease the black, and then saturation I'm going to increase it like this. Okay, now go back, and the next step that you need to do is just input a text onto this page. So you can just use this text box and change the font of it, but I'm going to use a template from Canva. Okay, so let me find the right one for the thumbnail. Okay, I think I'm going to use this one. Just click it and it will going to appear on the clip or on the page, just like this. Now you just need to increase the size of it, put it on this side. Okay, you can change the font of it by click each font, kind of like this. And if you want to change it, you just need to type it like this. Okay, now first I'm going to change the color from each letters. So let's just change it onto maybe this color, this one, and this one I'm going to change it onto this brown color, and this one I'm going to change it onto this same color as the first letters. Okay, and this one I'm going to change it onto maybe a blue color, but much more pastel. Okay, and this one on this color. Okay, now when you're done, this is the final result of it. And when you're downloading it, you can just go and apply it as your YouTube thumbnail. And that's the way to create it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.